This 5-minute solution will show you how to record a video on Snapchat without holding the record button. It's super easy process to record video on Snapchat without holding the record button. The process will be similar for Android and iOS device. Press and hold the record button at the bottom of the screen. Long pressing the button, then move your finger to the left. And a lock icon will appear. Slide your finger over the icon. Release your finger. And now Snapchat will automatically maintain the recording process for you. And to stop recording, tap the recording button again. And this is how we can record video on Snapchat without holding the record button. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.